Do you often get annoyed with the free version of ChatGPT because it isn't loading at all, or is too slow, or keeps erroring out? If you don't want to pay for ChatGPT Plus, which is $20 a month at the moment, there's an option to use the best version of ChatGPT that's free, and I've not heard anyone else talk about it. So we'll jump over to my screen and I'll show you exactly how to do that now. What you'll want to do is go over to the ChatGPT website, click on Product and Overview, then click on Get Started. That will take you to this page. Make sure you have a mobile phone number that they can use to verify your account. You'll get a text message for verification purposes, and then you'll be in. Initially, you'll go to this overview page, but just click on Playground at the top, and then you can use ChatGPT here as you would normally. Some advantages: it'll still work for you when the free version of ChatGPT is down. This doesn't cost you a thing. There is a certain amount of free credit that you get, which is limited, but the API pricing is very low. It's pretty complex to explain in terms of the tokens you use, but I find it goes a very, very long way. So there you have it. You can access ChatGPT when the free version is down without having to pay for Plus. Please don't forget to like, follow, share, subscribe, whichever platform you're on. It really, really helps. Thanks.